Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to allow the Remini app to access your photos. Just open the app and go to the settings, which is in the top right corner. And now scroll down a little bit and you can find this Photos Permissions button. Tap on it and then give access. After that, click on Allow and wait a little bit. I think it's all good now, but let's check. Yes, we have access, but if we go to the settings of the device, then we can see the permissions here, and maybe we can add more permissions or remove this one. That's basically it. I hope you have a very nice day. Bye bye.